Hi guys, in this video, I introduce to you how to customize the symbol you want to subscribe. As we can see, there are many different symbols in the market already in the market watch. This is the BNB USD margin future, and this is BNB USDT spot, and this is the BNB USD corn margin future. Again, this is a BTC USDT margin, and this is BTC USDT spot, and it is a BTC USD corn margin future. Again, this is ETH USD margin futures, and this is ETH USDT spot, and this one is ETH USD corn margin future. How we can customize the symbol we want to subscribe? We can write it the service Binance USDT future, write the properties that, and we can see we already subscribe free USD margin futures. If we want to, I demo you to add one more symbols. For example, Solana USDT. We input the symbol name. It is case insensitive. It's okay. Or also okay. This one also okay. And then we can see Solana USDT USD margin future already subscribed in the market watch. And sometimes we need to subscribe many different symbols. And as we can see, for example, we want to subscribe all these USD margin futures in one go, and write to the properties, and we can see maximum 20 symbols in every single line. So we have to split the symbols into different lines. This is for the first line, and this is the second line, and this is the third line, and this is the fourth line, and this is the fifth line. Okay. After that, we can okay, and then we can subscribe all this USD margin future in one go. Okay, now you can see all the symbols we want to subscribe appears in the market watch, and the market data is coming. Also, if we want to subscribe the spot, customize the symbol of spot, we can click the Binance spot service, right-click properties, and we can import the spot symbol we want to subscribe. Please pay attention that we don't need to input the service X when we input the symbol spot name here. For example, if we want to subscribe the Solana at USDT spot, we just input that is okay. We don't need to input the service S. Finally, this is for the core margin future. Again, right click the properties. We can input the core margin future we want to subscribe here. As we can see, the core margin futures, the name of core margin futures end up with TERP.